This tutorial review will show you how to change Hey Siri to Siri in iOS 17. So if you want your Siri response to you using only Siri, follow these easy steps. First of all, go to your iPhone settings. Scroll down, tap on Siri and search. Tap on listen for, and here you have to select Siri or Hey Siri. And once you've selected this first option, and then to work with Siri, you can say only Siri to enable Siri. If you find this video helpful, don't forget to subscribe Tutorial River. See you in the next video.